Alright, imagine this. You just opened Word to speedrun your essay that is due in 30 minutes because you procrastinated the entire week. You pour in all your literature brain cells and somehow even summon William Shakespeare to help you finish it. Just to realize that you forgot to save the doc and all your hard work has been for nothing. Then you decide to just chat GPT the entire thing and end up getting caught plagiarizing. Believe me, we've all been there. But don't worry, I'm here to discuss whether or not you should make Microsoft your new best friend. So let's talk about Microsoft 365. Is it worth your money even in 2025? Should you ghost it like you should to Internet Explorer? Or should you ignore it like you ignored the like and subscribe button? It's fine, I'll wait. Scroll down, click the two buttons. Great, wonderful, let's continue. So let's break it down. I'll rank all the Microsoft 365 functions from the most basic to useful, and finally, actually worth paying for, so that you can decide whether or not you need it. Tier 1, Basic. Yes, Microsoft 365 gives you Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and all the stuff you learn and hate in 3rd grade computer class.
But can't I just use Google Docs for free?
Honestly, that is not a bad option. Shout out to my unpaid video scriptwriters that use Google Docs. They haven't had any problems with it so far except for some procrastinated deadlines. So if you only use Office once a year to write school reports or pretend you're a smart budgeter, save your money. Donate the money to my poor editors and scriptwriters and me. Also me, I do the voiceovers, me. Well, instead of just using Google Drive. It can do everything you need Microsoft 360 to do. Ooh, done. I have a gut feeling that most of you guys fall in this category. I also have a gut feeling that most of you guys are not subscribed. Dude, I just told you to subscribe. Scroll down, click it. Did you do it? Now, tier 2. Here's where it gets past the level of basic 3rd grade school computers. Microsoft 365 comes with OneDrive, which just happens to also come with automatic cloud backups, file sync across devices. Like, people in our office actually use this. And also PC folder protection. Well, yeah, the last one sounds like bullshit, but it's fine. The first two are great. Well, what do those mean then? Well, it means that your essays, your spreadsheets, your cursed memes, and downloaded secret videos are all backed up, even if your computer explodes from. Here's a quick way to see if you fall in this category. Are you using a Windows PC? If so, Microsoft 365 is surely your best friend. I say this because Microsoft 365 was built by Microsoft for, surprise surprise, Microsoft. This includes Windows PCs. OneDrive is literally baked right into Windows File Explorer for cloud storage and backup. Apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint open faster and more smoothly in Windows. You can think of this as their X and the car crash. They're just better together. Yo, who the wrote this? And finally, tier 3. Let's say you have multiple Windows devices. You want to share files easily. You want 1 terabyte of cloud storage to hide literally everything if the last video is enough to help you. By the way, watch it. Watch it later. Watch it after this video. You have to watch it. It's wonderful. And it's also a perfect fit if you want annoying Microsoft apps to stop popping up and screaming at you to sign in. I'm looking at you, Microsoft Teams. In short, you're the benefactor of Microsoft, and there's no cure except the $69 per year for personal use. Nice. But hey, that's less than the price of your daily Uber Eats order. If you could afford multiple Windows devices, you probably won't miss the $69. So, just to sum it up, is Microsoft 365 worth it in 2025? Well, if you're in the Microsoft world, then yeah, definitely. If you just need to write an essay once a month, then no, save your money, go buy something nice for yourself. No, actually, donate to my poor editors and scriptwriters, and me. But yeah, that concludes today's video. See ya. Peace.